Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn first standard English grammar 6 number chapter nouns gender. Okay, last videos we learned masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender means what. Okay, now listen. Today we will see some example. Here the chart masculine gender and feminine genders. See, here is the chart of masculine gender and feminine genders. Masculine, here is the feminine. Here is the masculine gender. Here is the feminine. Now see some examples of masculine genders and feminine genders. Now listen. See here by using different words. Okay, masculine see bachelor. First word see bachelor. 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 In feminine gender here is the spinster. 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 See then second word cook. Masculine word cook. Now listen second word see. Masculine word see cook. COCK cook. Now listen see then feminine word hen. HER hen. Now see masculine word drone. DRONE drone. Feminine word is bee. BEE. See masculine word horse. Now listen see the feminine word mare. MARE mare. Okay. Next see masculine word lord. LORD lord. Feminine word lady. LADY lady. See masculine word nephew. NEPHEW nephew. See the feminine word niece. NIECE niece. See the masculine word sir. Now listen feminine word see madam. See the masculine word son. See feminine word daughter. Means first rule see by using different words. Okay, in masculine and feminine. See masculine word bachelor, feminine word spinster. Masculine word cook, feminine is head. Masculine is drone, feminine is bee. Masculine is horse, mare. Okay, feminine is mare. See here, masculine is lord, feminine is lady. Masculine is nephew, feminine is niece. Masculine is sir, feminine is madam. Masculine is sir and feminine word is daughter. Means by using different words. Okay, bachelor, spinster, cook, head, drone, bee, horse, mare, lord, lady, nephew, niece, sir, madam, sir, daughter. Okay, student, first rule we understand now. Now listen see the second rule. By adding es at the end of masculine form of the word. second. By adding ESS, by adding ESS at the end of the masculine form of the word. Masculine form of the word. See here. Masculine, MASCULINE. Masculine. Now listen, see here, feminine. FININE. Feminine. See here, masculine. 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 Now listen, see, feminine. MININE. See, by adding ESS, at the end of masculine form of the words. We see masculine form of the words. Author, here is the author, AUTHOR, author. Okay, in feminine gender, here add the ESS, authoress, AUTHORESS, author, authoress. Hair, HEIR, hair, hairess, HEIRESS, hairess. Now listen, poet, 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 poetess, POETESS, poetess. Now listen, see, prophet, 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 prophetess, PROPHETESS, prophetess. Now listen, see the next word, host, 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 hostess, HOSTESS, hostess. Now listen, see, lion, 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 lioness, LIONESS, lioness. We'll see here, author, authoress, hair, hairess, poet, poetess, prophet, prophetess, host, hostess, lion, lioness. Okay, means by adding ESS at the end of masculine form of the word. Means here is the author, here adding in feminine gender ESS, authoress. म्हणजे masculine genderचं feminine gender होताना काय होतं, त्याला ESS ऍड होतो. Okay, see the next words. Priest, 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 priestess, PRIESTESS, priestess. Now listen, see, shepherd, 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 shepherdess, 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 shepherdess. Okay, do you masculine form of the word. Now listen. See, by adding ESS at the end of the masculine form of the word. Second rule, see. We see now this. See, then third number rule, by adding ESS after dropping the last vowel. By adding ESS after dropping the last vowel. By adding ESS after dropping the last vowel. Now listen, see, masculine and feminine conductor. Masculine word, see, conductor. Conductor. Conductress. 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 Now listen, see, hunter. Hunter. Huntress. Huntress. Now listen, see the next word. Waiter. 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 Waitress. 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 Now listen, see then second word. Songster. 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 Songstress. SONGSTERESS. Songstress. Now listen, see next word. Tiger. Tiger. Tigress. Tigress. Now listen, see the next word. Emperor. 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 Empress. EMPERESS. Empress. Listen student, once again I repeat this word. Conductor. Conductress. Hunter. Huntress. Waiter. Waitress. Songster. Songstress. Tiger. Tigress. Emperor. Empress. Okay. Now listen, see next last word. Governor. Governess. Means we understand now by adding ESS after dropping the last vowels. Okay. You understand now by adding ESS after dropping the last vowel. Conductor. Conductress. Hunter. Huntress. Waiter. Waitress. Songster. Songstress. Tiger. Tigress. Emperor. Empress. Now last word is governor. Governess. Means you understand the third rule. Now listen to the fourth number rule. See then fourth number rule. By changing the masculine word in a compound word. By changing the masculine words in a compound word. A compound word. Now this is the first word. Gentleman. GENTLEMAN. gentlewoman, GENTLEWOMAN, gentleman, gentlewoman. Now listen, stepfather, STEP, stepfather. Now listen, in the feminine gender, stepmother, STEPMOTHER, stepmother. See then, grandfather, GRANDFATHER, grandfather. In feminine gender, grandmother, GRANDMOTHER, grandmother. Now listen, see then, man servant, MAN, man servant, SERVANT, man servant. Maid servant, MAIDSERVANT, maid servant. Now listen, milkman, MILKMAN, milkman. Milkmaid, MILKMAID, milkmaid. Then next word, billy goat, BILLY, billy goat, GOAT, goat. See then, feminine gender, nanny goat, NANNY, nanny goat, GOAT, goat. Now listen, see then, fisherman, fisherwoman, landlord, landlady. Okay. See once again, by changing the masculine word in a compound word. See the masculine words which gentleman, feminine, gentlewoman, gentleman, gentlewoman, stepfather, stepmother, grandfather, grandmother, man servant, maid servant, milkman, milkmaid, billy goat, nanny goat. Now listen, see the last two words, fisherman, fisherwoman, landlord, landlady. Okay student, you understand now by changing the masculine word in a compound word. Okay, once again I repeat this, gentleman, gentlewoman, stepfather, stepmother, grandfather, grandmother, man servant, maid servant, milkman, milkmaid, billy goat, nanny goat, fisherman, fisherwoman, landlord, landlady. Student, you understand now? I think you understand it. Thank you.